What are you doing? What are you doing, Miss Liv? Oh, oh.
Good save.
Hi. Hi, baby. How? Wow, yay!
That's a wall.
Liv.
Sully in his new car.
Hi.
We should we turn towards Mama?
Yeah. Say thanks, Dad. Hi, Liv.
Yeah.
Yay! Look at you! You're just cruising! Oh my goodness, you're practically running. Oh my goodness.
It's a little terrifying.
Yay! Crashed into the fridge.
But now I can see the reflection of the lights in the fridge.
Are you dancing? Are you dancing?
Hi, Liv. You want to turn around?